Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today, we want to give you a very simple but effective remedy for sciatica pain, joint pains, nerve damage, or nerve problems. So, for this particular remedy, all that you need is one full tin of milk. So, the tin of milk should be the 150 ml tin of milk that we always buy, the type that you can see on the screen. By type, I mean that the size. I don't mean the brand. So it can be any brand at all. Even if you have fresh milk, you can use it. Fresh cow's milk, please. You can use it for this particular remedy. So, as I said, it can be any brand at all that you have. You can use it for this particular remedy. And then ensure that you are not going to buy the big size. Please kindly ensure that you go by what I'm saying. And then also, you cannot use powdered milk. You cannot use powdered milk for this particular direction. And then you can also use non-dairy cream or whatever or powder that you have. You cannot use it for this particular remedy. So if you are such that you cannot take milk or milk is not good for you, then it means this particular remedy is not also good for you. So what you are going to do is that you are also going to get 3 cloves of garlic. So as you can see on the screen, that is the 3 cloves, the small pieces of garlic that you have removed from the main garlic or the main bulb of garlic. That is the cloves. So you are going to get 3 cloves of garlic. Just remove 3 from the main bulb of garlic, and that is what you are going to use for this particular remedy. You can also use local garlic or exotic garlic for this particular remedy. And then the next thing you are supposed to get is a sachet of water. So the sachet of water can be any brand at all. And then if you cannot also get a sachet of water, you can measure 250 milliliters of water with any cup that you have. And that is what you are going to use for this particular remedy. And then you are also supposed to get turmeric powder. So get yellow turmeric. If you go to those people who sell spices, you can easily get the turmeric powder. If you are also outside Ghana, you can click on the link under the post or in the description or in the comment section of this particular video, and then you get the link to purchase the turmeric powder from Amazon. So what you are going to do is that you are going to pour the 250 milliliters of water into a saucepan on fire. So it means you are going to boil the water, whether the water is from a well, rainwater, or any drinkable water at all, that you think that is 250 milliliters. That is what you are going to use for this particular remedy. You are going to boil it. So whilst it boils, the next thing to do is that you open the tin of milk and you pour everything from the tin to the water, the boiling water on fire, and then you stir. Please kindly ensure that you stir very well, else everything will pour into the fire. So as you stir, you now grind the 3 cloves of garlic very well. So after grinding, what you do is that you now add it to the boiling water. Please, the cloves of garlic, you cannot blend it. Or if you want to blend it, it means that you are going to use water, some of the water that is on fire. You are going to first some to blend it. That is what you are going to do. Don't go and use extra water to blend it, else you are going to spoil the medicine. So please kindly ensure that apart from the 250 milliliters of water, you don't add any extra water to blend the garlic. Kindly ensure that if you want to blend it, then it means that you are going to use some of the 250 milliliters of water that you are boiling to blend it. So after blending the garlic and adding it to the boiling water, the next thing you are supposed to do is that you now add 2 tablespoons of the turmeric powder. Please, we have yellow turmeric and we have white turmeric. For this particular remedy, you are going to use the yellow turmeric. So we are also going to add it to the tin of milk that has been mixed with the water, and then you have added the garlic to it. You are also going to add the turmeric powder to it on fire, and then you stir it very well. So as I said, you are supposed to be stirring as you do this. Don't move whilst you are doing this, please. If you leave it, you come back and then you see that nothing is on the fire because everything will pour into the fire, and then it may even cause fire outbreak. So please kindly ensure that you go by the directions I'm giving in this particular video. Be there and stir as you are doing this particular remedy. So after 5 minutes, your medicine is ready. After 5 minutes of adding all these four items on fire, your medicine is ready. So it means that you are just going to allow it to boil for 5 minutes on fire, and then you just set it off fire. You are going to put it down for it to cool. Please allow it to cool very well because this one is very, very, very hot. The moment you boil it, it becomes very, very, very hot. So please drive away all children from the place that you are doing the remedy, because when it pours on them, they will be seriously injured. So please kindly ensure that no child will come near you whilst you prepare this particular remedy. So you allow it to cool, and then after cooling, you are going to drink everything. Please, for this particular remedy, you cannot do it in the morning. You are only going to take it in the evening, only once a day in the evening. You are going to drink everything too. You are not going to keep some in the fridge and take it. If you leave some and then take it later, you are going to have severe running stomach. So please, kindly ensure that after preparing everything and allowing it to cool, you drink it. But please don't go and put it inside fridge for it to be chilled. Drink it when it is warm. So immediately you see that it has now cooled down to the point that you can drink, then you drink everything. So you are going to do this for about 2 weeks. Every day you buy new tin of milk. Every day you buy new tin of milk and do it. Please don't say that maybe milk is expensive and decide that you not do this particular remedy. Kindly ensure that you do it, and you are going to bring a very big testimony. No matter the problem you are having, whether it is waist pain or any problem with the nerves or the bones, if you do this particular remedy, that nerve that is damaged, it's going to heal. That bone that is damaged is going to heal. That pain that you are feeling is going to leave. So please kindly ensure that you do it consistently for 2 weeks. For 2 weeks, you bring a very big testimony. So that is all about this particular remedy. Kindly ensure that you subscribe to our channel for more remedies. Thank you very much for watching. In our next video, we shall talk about a lot of things that will benefit you. So please kindly ensure that you subscribe to the channel for more remedies. Thank you very much. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.